Hey, what's up, healthy people? It's Ange with Let's Health with Ange, and today I want to show you guys how to make sea moss. About a month ago, my husband went to Antigua, which is where his family is from, and he brought me back some authentic sea moss. So this is what I have left, all right, because I've already made some gel and I've already been consuming it. And I thought to myself, number one, this will be a great opportunity with everybody being very health conscious right now to show you how to take sea moss in its raw form and turn it into a consumable gel, okay? So first step is going to be to clean your sea moss. Remember, this comes from the sea. So you wanna make sure that you clean it very well. All right, so just to kind of get a better look, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take the sea moss and I am going to clean it. So I have my sea moss in here. I'm going to use some spring water to clean it. Yeah, purified water, that's fine too. So basically, I'm gonna add the water. All right, you're gonna start breaking it apart and you are going to clean it.
Okay, because you wanna make sure that you get any type of sand particles. Sometimes you can find things like little small seashells in here, all right? The more natural and healthy your sea moss is, the better you should clean it. Right?
As you can see, a lot of stuff is being rinsed through the sea moss right away. So take a look at that water. Okay, very good. Okay, so now I have thoroughly cleaned and rinsed through my sea moss. And so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cover it with water.
So this is part of the soaking process.
So you wanna soak your sea moss 6 to 8 hours or overnight if you can, which is what I'm going to do. All right, so I did just enough to cover it. And then what I like to add to my sea moss is cinnamon. So I'm gonna take 1 clove of the cinnamon, okay, and I'm gonna toss that in there, okay, and then I'm gonna do a half. All right, so I got half a lemon, and I'm just going to squeeze it in there. All right, so I got half a lemon, and I'm just going to squeeze it in there. And I am going to let this sit to overnight. Okay, so the sea moss has had the opportunity to soak overnight. As you can see, it's expanded quite a bit, which is very normal. And so now I am going to transfer into my high-speed Vitamix blender, and you guys can see how the magic happens. All right, so as you can see, it's all blended up. I got a little bit on the spoon here, and yeah, it's nice. It's a nice gel consistency. It's smooth. The cinnamon and the lime kind of take the bite off of it just a little bit, but it'll pretty much take on whatever flavor that I put it in, whether it's smoothies, oatmeal, pancakes, you name it, drop a little bit in there, or just a nice spoonful in the morning and I'm good to go. So anyways, Let's Health, baby.